Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So sideways, letting the 8 catch up, rotating down, potential double bottom here. Just watch for that. If the peak would be this high, this bar I'm highlighting now, 69, 62, 16, and close above that would trigger the double bottom. And you can watch for a little retracement. It's only a small double bottom, so you just have to measure the 100% retracement from this low to this high. It's going to take you upwards to this little breakdown zone again, around 7,100. So that's what we're watching for. Now, if it keeps going lower, again, this is potential. It's not confirmed. It's not anything. So it's not predicting that this is going to hold. It's just a potential setup if you do get a close above here. That's what we'll be watching for. If we do sell below 67.50, we'll start watching for 66.60 is 65.71. That's really it. Key resistance now coming in. The level we're watching is really up towards the top of this double bottom. You can really watch about 69.50 area for the key resistance, which would put it somewhere within the middle of the 4-hour rotation zone. Take a look at the daily chart. Daily chart. Let me zoom in here. So yesterday closed just inside the rotation zone. Today's below it. The key level we're still watching due to another system we follow is the low of this bar, 67.7328. A close below 67.7328, we'd start watching for a bigger pullback than a potential long re-entry at some point. But that is the key level. So if we start trading down to these other levels and close down there, that would trigger a exit signal on another system we follow. And then we start watching for a long re-entry. Again, this is not trading advice, just helping people try to learn price action for the cryptos. On a rally, major now resistance coming in on the daily about 71.90 to 7,200. Ethereum, US dollar, again, this is still going to form a potential double bottom also. We'd be watching for a close above 161.50. That's the key level on that, which actually that means the rotation zone is out of the way on Ethereum, and then we'd watch for a retracement back up towards this 169.50 area. You can measure it out exactly if you want. It's from this low to this key high. I have not measured them out yet as the time of this recording. If we start getting close, I will measure them out for my own charts. Now, if we get below 152.30, 149.24, 146.17, let me take a look at that daily chart. Daily chart. So again, Ethereum holding up still a little better than Bitcoin. Yesterday closing pretty much at the top of the rotation zone. Today down in the middle of it. So if it gets a close below this 152.30, it would also close below the rotation zone, which then we start watching for the bigger pullback. Key resistance coming in on the daily chart at 165. So you have you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.